In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Exness password quickly and securely. If you've forgotten your password or just need to set a new one, I'll walk you through the exact steps on both the website and the mobile app and share a few helpful tips so you don't get stuck along the way. Start on the Exness login page in your browser. On that page, look for the option that says, I forgot my password. Click it and you'll be prompted to enter your registered email address. This is important. Use the email you signed up with, not your trading account number. Exness uses your email as the login identifier, so entering an account number here won't work and will only slow you down. After you submit your email, follow the on-screen prompts to validate your identity. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to receive a verification code by email or by phone. Choose the method you have access to right now. If you select email, watch for a message from Exness and enter the code exactly as shown. If you choose phone, make sure your device has signal and that you can receive texts or calls. Verification codes are time sensitive, so if one expires, just request a new one and try again. Once your identity is confirmed, you'll be guided to create a new password. Pick a strong one that you haven't used before. A good rule of thumb is to combine upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid anything easy to guess and don't reuse passwords across different services. When you finish, save the changes and return to the login page. Remember, log in with your email address and the new password you just set. If you're using the Exness app, the process is just as simple. Open the app and go to the passcode screen. There, look for the Forgot link. Tap it and follow the same flow. Verify your identity using your email or phone, then create a new password when prompted. After that, sign in using your email and your new password. A couple of quick tips to prevent hiccups. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the verification email right away. If you requested multiple codes, use the most recent one. That's it. By following these steps, you can reset your Exness password confidently and get back into your account without stress.